Hello, good morning students. I am your math teacher S. Kiran. Welcome you all back to another session of maths online classes. Students, ये बताइए कि आप लोग कैसे हैं? आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं या नहीं? या फिर हमारे जो वीडियोस जा रहे हैं आप तक, क्या आप सही से देख पा रहे हैं? क्या आप समझ पा रहे हैं उस चीज़ों को? समझने में कोई परेशानी तो नहीं हो रही है आपको? अगर किसी भी तरह का कोई भी असुविधा हो बेटा, तो आप बेहिचक मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। मैंने कई बार बोला है, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप समझ पा रहे हैं। ओके। तो बेटा आज क्या करना है? आज हमें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.2 की ओर प्रोसीड करना है। इट मीन्स टुडे वी विल प्रोसीड with exercise number 7.2. So, as it is, as usual, use the headphone for the better listening and experiencing, and take out the textbook and get ready for the today's class. So, see, students, as you can see, which is written on the board, solve the following equations by trial and error method. So, do you know the last videos I have discussed about the trial and error method? Do you have any idea? In trial or error method, what we have to do? How such types of questions will solve? In such type of question, what we will do? Simple. We will see the equation, and as per that equation, numericals value and variables. Okay. We will put the number any numericals value instead of the variables, and we will check whether this equation is satisfying or not. So see students, let's proceed. Equation is 4p minus 16 is equal to 69. Question, it means this term is equal to this term. We have to prove, but we don't know which number will replace at the variable so that this equation will satisfy. Question, so let's see. We will see. Put p is equal to, see students, 5p minus 16 is equal to 69. Are you getting? That 16 is in this side negative, it will be positive when it will be transpose. When it will be transpose. Let's see. As it will transfer, it will be plus. What number will be there? 15. It means around 85. This 85 and this 5 will come in division. Are you getting my points? 85 divided by 5. What there will be? 17. It means anyhow we have to put p is equal to let's see, first put 1. Okay. After putting 1, what the value will come? 5 into 1 minus 16 is equal to 69. Systems. 5 minus 16 is equal to 69. It was minus 11 is not equal to 69. Very easily. Now we will put, see students, here is minus 11 and here is 69. Take large number. Just take 5. P is equal to 5 means 5 into 5 minus 16 is equal to 69. 25 minus 16 is equal to 69. 25 minus 16, 9 is equal to 69. Not possible. That means this equation not satisfied. We have to take more larger number. Now we will take 10. Okay students, if we are putting 10, then 5 into 10 minus 16 is equal to 69. 5 minus 10, it means 50. 50 minus 16 is equal to 69. 50 minus 16, Resultant 34 is not equal to 69. Are you getting right? See, still it is 34 and it is 69. Now what will we do? Put 15. 5 into 15 minus 16 is equal to 75 minus 16 is equal to 69. 75 minus 16 is equal to 9. 6 minus 1, 5. 6. Now 59 and it is 69. What will it? Which number will we put? Now 15 is there. 17 put 17. So 15 into 17 minus 16 is equal to 69. 85, 75 is 85 minus 16 is equal to 69. See, 85 minus 16, 9, 7 minus 1, 6. So students, when P is equal to 17, we are putting the value of P, then this equation are getting satisfied. Then what we will say? So P is equal to 17. Are you getting my point, students? I hope you understood how to solve. First, students, what we did? Number first, we have don't idea, so we don't have any idea to what number we will put so that the equation will satisfy. So we have started with 1. Why 1? We can take also minus 1, but we do not have to take any negative number. Why? Because already we are observing that the equation given positive number. So it's sure that positive number will put there. So we have started from 1. After 1, we came to know that is minus 11. That equation is getting minus. It means negative form. So we have increased 4 more. So 5. After 5 calculated, we took that still it is pending. It is left too much. So next we have 10, 15 and after that 17. As soon as we have proceeded the number, after that this variation becomes reducing. And as reducing, after that we came to know this actual value will put, definitely the equation will be satisfied. So it is all about the question number 1C. I have solved exercise number 7.2, question number 1C. What are the rest number of questions A, B and D that it's your turn to do. Okay students? And exactly मुझे विश्वास है कि आप करोगे. पता है क्योंकि आप पे मुझे खुद से ज़्यादा विश्वास आते हैं. पता नहीं क्योंकि जब मैं आप लोगों की कॉपियाँ देखता हूँ, आप लोग कॉपी जब हमारे पास आता है, मैं जब उसे देखता हूँ तो मुझे वास्तविकता याद होता है बेटा तेरे लिए आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हो, आप लोग मेहनत भी करते हो, बस थोड़ी सी कंसंट्रेशन की आवश्यकता हो रहा है, थोड़ी सी अटेंशन, थोड़ी सी कंसंट्रेशन विद स्माइली फेस. समझे? बिल्कुल स्माइली फेस. माइंड पे डिप्रेशन रख के नहीं, माइंड पे मतलब बहुत सारा बर्डन रख कर काम करना है बस खेलते खेलते करना है. मैथ्स इज नथिंग, मैथ्स इज ऑल अबाउट द, इट इज अ गेम. इट इज ऑल अबाउट गेम ऑफ नंबर एंड साइन, नंबर एंड सिंबल, नथिंग एल्स. ओके बेटा, श्योर, लेट्स एंजॉय मैथमेटिक्स. मैथ्स को एंजॉय करना है, इसको बर्डन की तरह. अगर नहीं भी समझ आता तो आप मुझसे पूछिए. आई विल लेट यू नो मोर देन 100 times, 100 ways. Till your satisfaction, I will again and again explain. So, we just ask. Okay? So, students, write the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Students, I think it was explained also in the last classes or last videos where I used number second method was transposing and number one first method was that we have used to mention what the steps we are doing, either multiplying or either dividing or subtracting or adding. Okay students, so thereby we are doing eliminating method. We are used to eliminate the first term or the constant term and again that we try to satisfy the equation. So see, y plus 4 equal to 6, then what we will do, that this 4 we will eliminate. So what we will do? It is already in plus, so we will subtract. Then we will write subtract 4 both sides. So what happens? By plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4. 4 cancel. So y is equal to 2. That is your answer. Okay, students. I think that you understood. We will discuss next question. See, the next question, x by 2 is equal to 2. What we will do? We have to find the value of x. To find out the x, it is 2. We will eliminate 2. So eliminating 2, what should we do? We should multiply. Why? Because it is already given in division. So when we multiply that 2, we will eliminate. So you can write here multiply by 2 both sides. So x by 2 into 2 is equal to 8 into 2. 2 cancel. X is equal to 16. I hope you have understood, students. So we will what are the questions left of the question B and C. It's your turn to do. So students, see the question number 3. Question number 3 also adds same as question number 2. Question number in second, what we did on same way, question number 3 we will do. Mention the steps you will use to separate. Mention the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. So students, 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 10. These questions, what we will do first? We will do divide by 2 both sides. What will be done? 2 into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 to cancel. 2 5s are 10. This x minus 1 is equal to 5. So x minus 1 is equal to 5. What we will do now? We will eliminate minus 1. So adding 1 both sides. 5 will add due to it is already given in minus. So we will add, then after it will cancel. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. 1 cancel. X is equal to 6. So students, it is all about question number 3. Okay, 3a. On same way, question number C will be solved. First of all, see which term we will eliminate. We will eliminate first 1 by 2. So to eliminate 1 by 2, it is already given plus. So what we will do? We will subtract. So we can write here on subtracting 1 by 2 both sides. So x by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cancel. Resultant x by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. It will be LCM. 2 minus 1 resultant 1 by 2. See 1 minus 1 by 2. Denominator 2. Here nothing 2. LCM will be 2. 2 into 1 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So directly I have written 1 by 2. So students, x is equal to x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. But we have to plot the value of x. So what we will do? Now for eliminating this 2, we will multiply by 2. So multiply by 2 both sides. What happened? X by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. This 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel. So you can say that x is equal to 1. I expect from everyone that you understood how to solve the question number 3. What the question number left, B and D, that's it. It's your turn to do. So should see, solve the following equation. Solve the following equation, it means if such types of question given, we can apply any method. Okay students, because there is no method is verified. So we can do by any method. So to solve this question, so what we will do? 3 by 4 is equal to 12. This 4 will be transferred to that side. It is given in division form, so it will transfer to that side. It will be multiplication. 3y is equal to 12 into 4. We have to find the value of y. So y is equal to 12 into 4 by 3. 3 for the 12. 3 for the 12. So we can say that y is equal to 4 for the 16. It is your answer. Same way, question number next we can do 2x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. What we can do? We can do, first of all, we will take LCM. As we will take LCM, what it will be done? 4 to the 8x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. This 4 will transfer this side in multiplication. 8x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 1 into 4. This 1 will go that side. What will be done? 8x is equal to 4 plus 1. Then x is equal to 5 by this 8x. This is the multiplication, so it will come in division. It means x is equal to 5 by 8. Now students, it's all about exercise number 7.2, and I expect and I hope that you all have understood. So what the questions left of this chapter, it's your turn to solve and do it fast as soon as possible and send it back to me. So students, bye, thank you.